Oh, Vivian, Obana would say to me with him, hey, they're with your mommy pressure. Or mommy pressure, the character, no, and a role no player, no. Or also, it was a very challenging role, I should say. Make it challenging in the sense, and also, I don't think so. Where you be that, I don't know if me who was in India, you know. And he as also one of the risk Nana take care, but trust me, she was amazing. She was amazing. Or carry role me here, and I think then yeah, a boy and so listen another time to get the best out of everyone. And he almost so time my but you said you were hard because you open time you know to me and you go for be you know that kind of thing. But no, he didn't do it that way. Or more him some new, even ye be that crown young grandma mount me away, about here. Tisana Vivian or your man. Vivian was amazing. She pulled out so much, and she's also a very wonderful person. She's extraordinary nice. You know, just Vivian was extraordinary nice. Senya will see tears, Senya everybody was committed to the job. That's one thing I loved so much. You play Madame Funos Mausi. Oh my God, that's when Bibeto Mausi was set in the song. I think that was the first time I mean Huno. But then afterwards they say, oh Madame they say cramming in the Juma. I should say Mausi was another wonderful person. Already possibly never who made that, but me not me who did that. But Mausi was amazing. She was like the friend I had on the set, you know. Now moving in no Madame. Now trust me, or no yeah down for Kasanso in reality. Seriously, she was really amazing. One of the people are not Debiana were encouraging me. Also things one of the things and so share me ding and mommy to me me role a year. And yeah, they were all amazing. Mausi was extraordinary, and Vivian, so just will be everybody, me you will be in free cast including on home play and walk on and I walk past and I stress. When you know how they were amazing. The environment was a conducive one. It was a great feeling on the set, seriously. And things that and then we share and fair face. Yeah. Ejuma way no, I think that there are components, basic components. Emma, sineno itimi ba house very fair. A patcher say Obiani Ejuma Oye. I contributed to a good production. Director were cameraman were sound, continuity were costume, makeup, you know, omunina any PAs, omuni what they are not said, Ejumano and no. I think say Obia, everybody was amazing. Crew no na Obia. Just say, I am the one that say, Nana Crofway. I say, you be a make one night do what me drinks are. The Bussian fun. I say, Obia didn't know what rapport be. I, ma, Omina come to bomb my Jumano 8 me a camera. Crew Nina, me, back free. Everybody was amazing. Cameraman, no, oh my God. Now, who should say, your director can be out see it. Now, also dinner dream bois. Na show on director relationship now. Bibi akran you say wa ya den man here fenuncha. And the cameraman yaw and the continuity. Chris was amazing. Chris the contributions and they were very controversial kakra, very controversial. But normally na ya any arguments biano what's nasi din na utiena. I think that make sense but Chris was another contributor to this movie. I think so. One year background. Chris, blessing, Miss Maybe blessing or your makeup. She was amazing because I thought, say, the job was huge, you know, than what I think or what I've seen her do. Yeah, maybe was a wire than I'm feeling say you man is smart, but I think that why must I mean she almost said it or were respectful and all. You see, everybody was amazing. Crew, no, almost foundation, and then my TC Dina yes. So thank you to all the crew and the cast of this movie for you know I am why and mama it may I say yeah. Okay, costume. Senior me card dano costume bois. Ni nyina yo niema bebra e ka ho a. Ma adwuma na yefe. If you say sebi yentimi fa yon kwate kwa me chance ni no senior everyday life tie no. Wo shatade we oro wo shefofro, you know. Enti costume no so se winya no ye na winya no professionally I think say bois. The one thing I noticed, Miss said, normally you froze in here. Oh, also bet me the baby above wait media, but me buy no and answer me be transina and area feel what you'll be and one and what that. What in the costumes about why yet people why was setting everything costume or what here, but only say scene where was a way she way. It was so she seen where was so she's what she should seen beyond at idea was so shit. And in a area free and obi madafi business America. Area free American upper into you know, hey, just everything was planned and well prepared. And yama bibia you say memano and ma bibia. It was a very great cast. And scenes don't super, but you so near costumes for every scene, every role. And I think say costumes so it was perfect. It was good. Okay, I have a lot to say. I have a lot to say because equipment, you know. Send a message to Subium say, Nana we feel or one and once or be jume. Or one in the sense say, BBI no BBI available. BBI available. I am interested in foreign ones na you technicality, inequality, most of it no foreign ones na ya ye na in fact me ba set is me dey me free set no so call you know maka wasam sa me show bia na meka I must be frank na me ncha sini bia ye create a friend is saying rainfall and I say you know a whole lot sir and it's a lot of technical quality sir. Inti immediately me we in fact make a SMP. I mean where they were supposed to say you be yes in so top they were able to create that. Na ade ba kwa na eyemi na kakra say me she camera ya e ni trams na camera but the camera one thing is one lens scene beyond lens a odicha. Most of your producers, yeah, I know made. One money is hard time, just a few of them, and almost hard time. But only the anogrammy and brosogrammy. Seeing beyond in the lens or best Sunday trap. Any angle or pair anyway, you know. Seriously, me none of area for me, tinny dean, but not me who is I mean picture this. But seriously, me who said, we will be a was soon Jumanankasa. Watu ni bwasi yesuya ejuma no pa ankasa ena no onim nia opani nia obabe enti no aboa ne ho na ade ba ko so ana emi won lightning ye twa de na normally wo de obe wan eja ye ejuma ye bisa say challenge be na we ejuma no say o light no iko interview bi asa na oka light no ye so si so ahire bo na ho nyina ahyehyw but me hu ni say yeah, so lights I change to be ebe how any be answer, which is lights no any lights are oh touch lights in your touch lights in your eye lighting. It got to a point I think I had one phone I mean lighting very strong and no crowd was a support to lighting. Just to say one yet lights na bro subia, so everything came out natural. Ibia kama actually be our cast oh and I'm not say we soon na wow light be any else no meaning near me and then of course or you be so na ucha scene be now say na me person me say na koya obi play am away. I don't know how professional is it, but I think that it's a good thing to do because a woman actor and also your shots be able to see you try with me improving on what he or she did earlier. See, I think it was a good thing. Perfect. Everything was on point. Normally, no, say make us be break can say who just near everybody knows say a clipboard but wow continue to be used anyway. But then also I got to see something else. Nami won't be any other I don't know dear. But I think there's maybe a friend of storyboard. Na you will be a friend of storyboard. Na na director no work. Everything was drawn up on the iPad. It's seen be a year between onim the shots I will be taking. Onim the number of scenes, number of takes, and direct. Everything is being drawn and you prepared for each scene. Scene bia you just seen bia say you just seen numpo a edu baby a otimi pause na wakohwe oh no edu hamomo a e wo say etimi kosa na yento aso so everything was professionally done. I don't know. I think this man really means business. And we should watch out. We should really watch out. Yeah, everything was perfect.